Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create consistent character videos in Veo 3. So if you're struggling to make your AI character look the same in every video, here I'm going to show you how you can use Google Veo 3 to create consistent character videos step by step with the exact prompts you can copy. So first step, you can just open Veo 3 in the Google AI Studio. Here is the interface. So Veo 3 will generate AI text to video, and you can just paste the prompts in here. For example, I'm going to create a video. Start by create a video of a young woman with curly brown hair wearing red jacket, anime style, soft lighting. You can just hit on run and just wait for the results. So write a strong character description prompt like I do in here. And you need to also stress consistency. You can use the same seed, style, keywords, and also descriptors. So you can also, to lock the style and consistency, you can also use reference images or first generated frame as input by clicking on this plus button, and you can upload the image. And keep the descriptors identical across prompts. For example, always use cinematic anime style or soft lighting or maybe detailed textures. And now you can also expanding it into scenes. You can change action without breaking design. For example, you can go with this from the same girl walking through a busy neon city at night, or the same girl sitting in a cafe sipping coffee. You can go with that. Okay, so here is the result. So if you want to have the next scene, you can just use create a video of, for example, the same girl sitting in a cafe sipping a coffee. You can go with that and then hit on run again. And after that, you can just import the clips into CapCut, Premiere, or VN Editor, add transitions, subtitles, and music, and combine multiple Veo 3 clips into one story. So that's how you can create consistent character in Veo 3. Use this step-by-step prompt guide to bring your stories to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!